Good afternoon, guys, and you're watching Tech Tech. I'm your host, Nash. So today in the episode, I call it What's in the Box? We are reviewing the HiFuture Radge. Radge. Whatever you call it. I'm just gonna call it Radge. So Radge, like Radge. Alright. Anyway, this earpiece, I bought it from Lazada. It's roughly about $27 up to $32. So there is 4 colors as shown in the picture. There is black, gray, pink, and white. So reason to buy this, if you didn't notice from the box, it says here hashtag ultra low latency. So other than ultra low latency, in the website is also proud of their cold blue lighting technology. According to them, we know gamers love to dwell in the dark, so enhance your gaming experience. The powerful and aesthetic pleasing HiFuture Radge come with the cold blue lighting technology that sets up the gaming mode while you stay connected. Woo! That is some selling point. Other than that, I'm sure you don't care about that shit. They also proud of their super low latency. It can go as low as 60 milliseconds. Ooh, it might be a contender to fight for the top 3 for the latency test on how fast. Anyway, we're just gonna see what are the specs. The specs are: it has gaming mode, Bluetooth 5, Type-C charging, and IPX5. Alright, so that's all we will see behind the box. This is what they say. Alright, as you can see, this is what it says: gaming low latency, comfort fit, cold blue lighting technology, Type-C fast charging, game and music mode switch freely, high definition audio quality, 5 plus 15 hours extra battery life, and smart touch control. Alright, so let's go open the box. Alright, yeah. So this thing is magnetic. Just open the flap at the side and ta-da! It says here, HiFuture, we make the sound more valuable. And you can see, okay, it looks cheap. The case, the earbuds, and finally behind it is the Type-C cable, Type-C, and small and large earbuds with the with the instruction manual. So that's all. Let's bogey. So that's all. Let's move to the case. Alright, so this is actually fairly light, and this is how you fit in the case. So in terms of the hinge, it feels quite okay lah. The magnet is fairly strong, but the hinge is quite smooth. So let's see. In front here it says HiFuture, and this is the line right here. The behind is the specification. On top, nothing else, and at the back is the Type-C charging. So currently it has no juice, so I can show the lighting. And here, the earbuds, it looks very plasticky. It's not the best, but it's not the worst either. And it feels very generic design. And I'm pretty sure this is the lighting. So I have nothing to show you first because there's no battery. and I will catch you all later for the pairing phase, because I need to juice this baby up. But before that, let's see the weight. Alright, so hello. Alright, so total, the weight is 44.4. Individually, it is about 4.1 grams. So that's it. I'll catch you all later. Alright, so welcome back to the pairing phase. And I have finally charged up this baby. And as you can see, that is the lighting, the blue aura they've been bragging about. And yeah, that's you can see the lighting indicator to indicate it's charging. And this is okay, wait, as you can see, once you open, the light here will change to blue. You can see that that's the blue LED when it's on, and it will keep on breathing blue when you turn on gaming mode and when you turn off the gaming mode. And if you want to know what is the fitting, it will look like this in the photo. And if you want to know what are the controls, there is the controls right now. It is basically single tap for the play and pause, double tap on the left and right for volume up and down, triple tap for your AI assistant on the left, and triple tap on the right for the gaming mode. So I tried the gaming mode, and yeah, it's working, but I don't know how good is the latency is. If the only way to know what's the latency, it will on the next series, which is I call it how fast. But in terms of my first impression listening to this, it is terrible. Fitting wise, it is good. It feels good. The build, it is, even though it's very plasticky, but it is reasonably well. It is built decently well. But the moment I hear the vocals, it is quite bad. But after a while, I get used to it, so it is not too bad. But if your songs don't really focus on vocals, it is quite decent, I must say. But for the price of 27 to 32, I expect more from it, because I still like the ZNT Game Buds because it's cheaper, and for the sound quality, it is way better compared to the HiFuture. So the only way to redeem this, if it can better the latency against the Game Buds, and also if the mic is good. But so far is okay, I guess. And because of that, it's quite difficult for me to recommend a song. But a song that is reasonably decent to listen to this HiFuture, it is called Solo by Clean Bandit featuring Demi Lovato. Yeah, so because the bass is okay, it's not too bassy, but it's not too weak, and the vocals is decent, but it's close to more to mediocre to poor, but it's okay, I guess. So other than that, in conclusion, if you're going purely for gaming and aesthetic wise, probably this looks slightly more sleek compared to the Game Buds. But in terms of the other stuff, like the pricing to the how it sounds, I still go lean towards the ZNT Game Buds. So that's all I could say. And if you like this short review, I hope you hit the like button and subscribe if you want to know what is the latency for this HiFuture against the ZNC game buds. So that's all for me. I will catch you all next time. See ya.